So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I want to show you how to remove or replace the light switch on Ford Focus MK3 or MK3.5. This one is MK3. So put that bad boy down, use your plastic tool. I have this for a very long time, and start somewhere around here, taking it out. So I will show you where so that's about that. So as you can see, there is a few of these bad boys. It stays like this. So check out all the clips that are holding it. We have one screw over here that I always like to take out, because this one does hold this cover over here. So after that, this plastic tool or smaller one, and somewhere around here you want to start with here to click out like that, or maybe even from this side, depends what you want to do. So but you can also push from inside out, but basically the best way is to take this top together with the light switch. That's what I find out, that it's most easy and less chance to break anything. So now we have this plug on the back side, not really easy accessible, but once you take it a little bit out, it's not that hard to take out. So let me just pull everything out, and as you can see over here now, there is that electricity plug that you need to take out. Once you click it out, it's basically easy to go get it out. So now you can see over here you have this little pin over here and one more on that side. So you click those two and those two, so we have 4 of these bad boys. So when you click, it's hard with one hand, you click and push. So you click here, click down there and push a little bit out on both sides, and that's basically that. So for whatever reason you would need to take this out. Sometimes these tend to break, but not that often. Why I suggest, because this plastic over here, it does want to break, and not once or twice, I saw this a lot of times. So taking this bad boy out, not really that big of a job, but still you need to be careful. You don't want to break this plastic cover over here. You can break this even with your knee, left knee, when you're driving. So yeah, I hope this will help you. If you have anything else that you would like to see on MK3, I'm in process of dismantling this car. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and see you next one. So till next one, see ya.